Ready to up your game? With Rush, you can do so much more than just selling. I'm Michelle, and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. In this video, we're going to show you how to engage with your customers by running promo codes. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. Promo codes benefit both your customers and your store. These codes incentivize customers for every purchase, and in return, your store generates revenue. Promo codes engage both new and returning customers, and when they're engaged, they become your repeat buyers. The Rush platform allows you to easily activate promo codes right from your eStore module. Just go to the Promo Codes tab and click New Promo Code. From this window, select whether you'll run a generic or unique promo code. Generic promo codes use a single alphanumeric string that can be used by all your customers. These are best used for acquisition campaigns, seasonal or holiday sales, and influencer or partner marketing. Unique promo codes, on the other hand, are codes that can only be used once. These allow you to run a more personalized reward program for your customers. Whichever matches your objective, activating and running promo codes is easy. Just input the campaign name, input generic promo code and set maximum redemptions, or upload your pre-generated unique promo codes and set the promo rate or value. Set the mechanics of your promotional campaign, including duration, redemption mechanics, activation channels, the required spend, and maximum discount. Once you click Save, your promo campaign will now appear under the Promo Codes tab and will be activated automatically on your chosen channels on the set promo duration. You can easily configure your campaigns using the Rush platform. Just make sure that it aligns with your objective. Done right, promo code campaigns can increase your conversion rates, boost your ROI, and improve customer engagement. This has been Michelle, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.